We'll talk about how can you add Passkey on your Roblox app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that in your app. So all you have to do, so you just go down, click here on more down here. When you just click here on more, it's going to take you to this list. And all you have to do, just go down here. So then you click here on settings, click on it. Then it's going to take you to this list. Then you click here on account info here. Then it's going to take you to this list. Just switching to open video here. So then all you have to do now, you just click here on so just switching to open video here on login methods, click here on add passkey. So then you click here on continue, then it's going to take you to add here your code here. So your code verification, then it's going to send to your email, then it's going to add with you here. It's going to take you to add your passkey. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.